Hello students, let us understand about TUX Paint. TUX Paint. TUX Paint is a wonderful drawing program for children. Unlike other drawing or painting programs, TUX Paint has a lot of creative tools, funny animations and magical effects which make it one of the best drawing software. Who is he? He is Bill Kendrick, the lead developer and designer of TUX Paint. Let us look at its unique features. TUX Paint is a free software. TUX Paint has a drawing mascot which helps you to know more about it. A large variety of tools help the children to create beautiful designs. We can add personalized stems to our drawing once we finish it. Funny sound effects are played when we select any tool. We can load and save images directly as thumbnails without using any file name. Students, let us know more. TUX Paint supports vector graphics, which means that you can draw images that can be zoomed up to 100 times their original size without compromising on the quality of the image. Let us discuss how to open TUX Paint. Select the Start button, then go to All Apps, then go to TUX Paint New, then go to TUX Paint Full Screen. You will now see the welcome screen of TUX Paint. After the welcome screen, we will see the opening screen of TUX Paint. Tools bar, colors palette, help area, drawing area or canvas, up and down arrows, selector. Students know the fact 5. There are 47 different background colors or pictures with which you can start a new drawing in TUX Paint. Students, let us talk about the patterns of brush shapes. TUX Paint gives us an option to draw beautiful patterns using the Paint tool. We can select any of the pattern shapes from the sub toolbox. Let us see how many beautiful patterns we can make. Select the Paint tool. Now you will see the brushes sub toolbox on the right hand side. Select the filled circle shape and choose brown color from the palette. Draw the stem of a tree. Scroll down and select the vine shape. Select green color from the colors palette. Move the pointer to the drawing area and draw the leaves by clicking on the stem. You will see a beautiful tree as shown in the figure. Similarly, select other brush shapes and see how many different patterns you can draw. Haze brush shape. Haze brush is a unique sub-tool which has a hazy appearance. We can use it to draw objects that are far away. Select the Paint tool, then choose the required colors to draw mountains, sun and river. Now select the haze brush shape and select light blue color. Draw few clouds in the sky. Similarly, select green color and draw the trees as shown in the figure. Students, let's talk about difference between Paint and Lines tool. Lines tool works quite similar to Paint tool and has same brush shapes in the sub toolbox. It is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. The difference between the Lines tool and Paint tool is given below. Paint tool, Lines tool. While selecting the Paint tool, the pointer changes into a paint brush shape. When Lines tool is selected, the pointer changes into crosshair plus symbol. It is a freehand drawing tool. It draws only in the form of straight line. The selected brush type or pattern is directly drawn on the canvas. The pattern appears on the canvas only after you complete the line and release the mouse button. We shall discuss about stamp tool. It is an interesting tool. This tool is used to add ready-made images as stamps. TUX Paint already has some inbuilt stamps. Additional stamps can be downloaded from the following website: www.tuxpaint.org/download/windows. Further, select the link TUX Paint #stamp #2009.06.28 #win32 #installer.exe. On installing the stamps file, we can see various categories of stamps in the sub toolbox. Click the stamp tool. Choose any one stamp from the sub toolbox. For more stamps, click the right or left arrow. Select the cock stamp. You can also increase and decrease the size of the stamp using the slope bar just above the colors palette in the sub toolbox. Now click on the canvas and the stamp will be pasted. Likewise, select the heart stamp and paste on the canvas. We can also use the mirror image of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option below the right and left arrow keys in the sub toolbox. Click the mirror button. Now paste the selected stamp besides the previous stamp. Students, let's talk about Edges effect. It is a unique feature in TUX Paint. Using this tool, we can differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. Let us see how it works. Click on the Shapes tool and select Filled Circle for Sun, Filled Triangle for Mountain from the sub toolbox. Select the Paint tool to draw a river and grass bed. Now divide the drawing in 2 equal parts by using Lines tool. Select the Magic tool and choose Edges from the sub toolbox. Drag the magic wand over the half part of the picture. You will observe that it will erase the solid part of the image and displays the edges outline of the shape. Students, let us talk about drip magic. What happens when water is sprinkled on a drawing made with a sketch pen or a letter that is written using ink pen? The ink or colors will scatter and drip away like water. Similarly, this magic sub tool gives a dripping effect to the drawing. Let us see how it works. Open a new file in TUX Paint. Select a red background. Click on the Text tool in the Tools bar. Select the font style from the letters. Choose yellow color from the colors palette. Write the following text: "Hello, I am learning," and press the Enter key. And type TUX Paint with white color. Now select the Magic tool and choose the drip effect from the Magic sub toolbox. Drag the magic wand over the text to add dripping effect to it. Check how the text changes after applying the drip effect. Students, let us talk about rainbow effect. In the sub-tools of Magic tool, there are 2 types of rainbow effect tools. Rainbow effect. It draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. Real rainbow. It allows you to draw a rainbow just like the one you see in the sky after a rainfall. Let us try both the effects on our drawing. Select the Magic tool from the Tools bar and the Rainbow effect from the sub toolbox. Now drag the magic wand from one point to another in arc shape. As you move the mouse, a train of rainbow colors will be drawn. Now select the real rainbow effect. Choose a single point on the drawing area. Click and drag the wand from one end to the other. Release the mouse and you will see a real rainbow on your canvas. Students, now let us talk about smudge effect. Smudge tool is used to give effects as if the color is mixed using wet paint. It is used to mix two or more different colors smoothly. It can be used to draw water bodies. Let us learn how to use it. First of all, draw a few thick multiple colored lines close to each other using lines tool as shown in the figure. Now click on the magic tool and select the smudge effect from the selector. Drag the magic wand on these lines till you get the desired result. It will create a beautiful smudge effect. Students, now let us talk about waves effect. This effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side, horizontal. Let us observe this effect. Open a new file with blue background. Select the lines tool. Choose white and yellow color from the colors palette. Now draw vertical lines as shown in the figure. Now select the magic tool and choose the waves effect from the sub toolbox. Read the instructions given by Penguin carefully and click on the screen accordingly. Let us click at the bottom of the drawing area to get taller wave effects. Students, now let us talk about wavelets effect. The wavelets effect wiggles the picture up and down, vertical rather than side to side. Let us learn how to use this tool. Open a new canvas with orange background. Draw horizontal lines using the lines tool. Select the magic tool. Click on the wavelets effect from the sub toolbox. Click on the bottom of the drawing area to add taller waves to your drawing and observe the change. Students, now let us talk about printing a drawing. TUX Paint allows you to print a drawing on a paper. Open the drawing that you want to print. Select the print tool in the tools bar. A box appears on the screen. Click on Yes to print. You have learnt almost everything about the TUX Paint and its various tools. Draw more pictures by applying new effects and ideas for better understanding of the tools. Activity Zone. For better concept clarity, let us draw a scenery in a new blank canvas. I hope you remember the various tools that you have studied in the previous class. Open a new file with green background. Select the paint tool. Choose blue color to draw the pond. Now select the magic tool and then choose fill tool. Click in the pond to fill blue color in it. Now select the grass effect and choose dark green color. Draw some grass on the ground. Apply a noise effect to the pond by using the noise effect of the magic sub toolbox. Now choose the flower tool and draw flowers of different colors. Select the paint tool. Draw stems of trees and fill brown color in it. Pick the vine tool from the brushes section. Draw the upper part of the tree as shown in the figure. Add cherries on the trees by using the stamp tool. Add 2 gander birds by using the stamp tool. Now select starfish shape subtool from the brushes section of the paint tool. Wow, what a beautiful picture you have drawn! Students, let us know more. Noise effect is used to add grainy look to an image by adding random variations in the brightness or in the color of an image. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. TUX Paint gives us an option to draw beautiful patterns using the paint tool. Haze brush is a unique sub-tool that has a hazy appearance. Stamp tool is used to add ready-made images as stamps. Edges effect differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. Drip tool gives a dripping effect to the drawing. Rainbow effect draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. Real rainbow allows you to draw a rainbow just like the one you see in the sky after a rainfall. Smudge tool mixes 2 or more colors smoothly to give wet look to a drawing. Waves and wavelets effects make any picture wavy horizontally and vertically respectively.